Hello there, internet. Today we're gonna make a delicacy, a dessert. I don't even know what it's called. We call it žemlovka. It's made of rolls, right? So ingredients: rolls, milk, cinnamon, and whatever flavoring you want. You can put whatever in it. So you start by grabbing these rolls and just ripping them to bits, alright, and put them in a bowl, like that. That's it. That's all you need to do. Just rip them, right? And that's it, right? Then you pour some more milk in it. Right, like this is like half a liter or something. Then you go season it with whatever you want. So I like to put some sugar, cinnamon, and these are like bits of chocolate. So I'm gonna put some sugar. Alright, some sugar. We put the cinnamon. We put the whole packet, the whole fucking thing. Open the whole fucking thing. Alright. Then you put the chocolate bits. Open this. That again, the whole fucking thing. Motherfucker, I can't open this shit. There you go. Okay, now we stir it, right? Whatever. Might as well grab this thing, alright? Stir it. Need more milk. Need more milk. Alright. There you go. Alright. And the point of this is to have the rolls like soak in the milk. So you want like a mushy thing, right? There we go. We could just dump this into the oven immediately, but I'm gonna leave it here for like an hour, so it soaks, right? It's properly soaked. Just put it on a tray, bake. I did the whole thing. Right. Whew. Right. Shit out, throw it in the oven, and we'll just try this. We'll just
I just click the cake button and push start. Right, so we'll be back when it's done. I'll just leave it like this. It's on 140 degrees Celsius for an hour. So I'll just leave it like that. I left it in for 53 minutes and I think it's okay now. Alright, so we just open it, right? I just, with my finger, I check the texture. Motherfucker. I think it's perfect. So, I don't even know. Yeah. Just hold the button, turn it off. Right, so this is what we end up with. It's like soggy, right? Yeah, let's dig in, huh? Alright, so. Alright, this is quite hot. I just pull it out of the fucking oven, huh? It's good, yeah? Alright, so if you don't know what to do for dinner, this costs like $5, right? Very cheap. Just get some cinnamon, whatever you wanna flavor it with. You can use apples, you can toss in some chocolate, whatever. I put cinnamon, chocolate, rolls and some milk. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. Have a good one, huh?